Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another NYX product. It feels like it has been so long since I've tried out NYX products, and it's one of my favorite makeup brands and has been for a really long time. But I just recently placed an Ulta order during a beauty break, which is when you get a free gift with purchase when you spend $50 during a certain time frame. And I was waiting until there was a good gift with purchase beauty break, and there was a really great NYX beauty break. So I got like 5 good size products for free, and this was one of them. It's the This Is Milky gloss. This is the full size. I got it in the shade Milk It Pink. And so this has a retail value of $8.50. It comes in 8 different shades, and I'm really excited because the shade that I got is the shade that I would have chosen. But they have a good shade range. There's a blue, pink, red, orange. There's dark shades, like a dark brown, dark berry shade. And it has some good ratings on the Ulta website. But so I was reading about this, and it says, get the milky look with NYX Professional Makeup. This is Milky Gloss. So is milky look like a makeup trend that I didn't know about? I thought I was pretty up to date on makeup trends, but it's totally possible that I didn't even know about this. But it sounds amazing, especially for me and what I like in my lip products. So it says it's supposed to give ultra glassy shine with 12 hours of quenching hydration for your lips. And I am always talking about how dry my lips are, so this sounds perfect. And it's made with a dairy-free vegan milk blend. That is so interesting. It's cruelty-free. Ooh, and it's supposed to have a sweet vanilla milkshake scent. So I love high shine lip glosses, hydrating lip glosses, when they have a tint of color and when they have a really good scent. And this sounds like it has all of that, so I am so excited about it. And the packaging I think is really nice. It almost has this kind of frosted look to it, and it's also a vegan formula. Okay, so let's check out the applicator and smell it. Ooh, I like this type of applicator. It's like a rounded paddle applicator, and it does have that kind of like a classic vanilla scent. It's not as potent as I was expecting, but that's all right. Okay, first let's do a swatch. Yeah, that has some really good shine. Let me do a zoomed in view of the swatch and the applicator for you to see. Hopefully you can see both of those there. And now let's see how it looks on my lips. The color is very sheer. It almost kind of just gives a little like hue of the light pink color. So it's like when it shines, you see a little bit of light pink to the shine, which is pretty. Ooh, but seriously, so immediately hydrating. I'm just seeing my lips completely become hydrated, smoother, and they feel seriously so quenched. I will say it has stickiness to it, and I know some people really hate a sticky gloss. I don't really mind it. It is more of like a thicker gloss formula, but I think it looks so good and flattering on the lips because it is a little bit different than just a high shine classic lip gloss because of that. It like looks like a thick pink hued gloss, which I absolutely love. And I don't know if it's like, if I'm imagining it, but I almost get a little bit, it's not like a plumping, tingling sensation, but it just kind of feels like my lips are like juicy, smoothed out, like almost like a plumping feel to them. And then when I look at it, my lips, they also look that way because they are looking like bigger because of the high shine. And because of there being just way less lines in my lips, them looking so much smoother. So this is seriously an incredible gloss. I really think that this just takes that classic lip gloss that I love and amps it up a bit. So this would look so good on top of a lip color to just add some juiciness to it. Or I just love how it looks alone. I know that I'm going to be reaching for this whenever I want a super hydrating gloss. Like, I'm just amazed by seriously how hydrating and smoothing this is. I would actually kind of describe this as a plumping gloss. That's how enhancing, smoothing my lips have become from this. And it didn't really have that plumping claim, but if it did have a plumping claim, I would be like, yes, it's working. So that's another thing I love and look for in my lip glosses is plumpingness. And then all the other ones I talked about, a scent, a color, hydration, and this has everything. So wow, I absolutely love this. I highly recommend it. And if you have tried it out, I would love to hear your thoughts on the NYX This Is Milky gloss in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.